Now, if you want to create a content around a particular product that you're promoting, be it anything, right? If you're promoting your shop, you're promoting whatsoever you're promoting, if you want to create a content around it, the first thing you do is to come to ChatGPT or go to any AI platform that you normally use. Now, what you're going to give this ChatGPT is this. Now, you're going to tell ChatGPT what you want to make content about, right? And this is how you go. So now what you're going to first of all do to give ChatGPT precise information about your product, you can literally screenshot that particular product or flyer, right? So now let's say for instance, this is my product. Now this product I want to market it, this particular product, right? So what I can do is to screenshot this on my system. I'm going to screenshot it on my system, right? So when I screenshot it on my system, I am going to upload it to ChatGPT. You can do this on your mobile phone. Just screenshot it on your mobile phone. Very easy to do. So what I'm going to do is to go to ChatGPT. The reason why I'm doing this is that I'm giving it precise information towards my own product, right? So I've uploaded the product, right? The image of that is the flyer of whatsoever I'm promoting, right? To get the flyer. Then now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to tell ChatGPT or whatsoever AI platform you're using, this is the product, I am promoting. It's movie access, right? Howsoever you want to write it, just make the English howsoever access whosoever buys, right? About the writing, just explain what the product does. Then you're not going to tell it, no, first of all this is what you do. First of all, you give it a rule, right? You give it a rule. A role is what you're telling it what it is. You're telling ChatGPT what it is now. You are an expert in marketing for, let's say 50 years. 50 years. Just be creative about this thing. And this is the product I'm promoting. It gives people access to movie whosoever by then you now tell it what you want it to do. You can put comma. You can just put comma after rule. Then you give it the information of the product, then you now give comma. Just don't worry about even the spellings, it's going to understand. Okay, then you now tell it what you want. I want you to write me a copy that I can use to promote this products to Nigerians. The reason why I'm specifying this to Nigerians is because if whatsoever country you are, right, you can, ChatGPT should know the way, the norms, the behavior of your country people, right? And if you specifically put it to Nigeria, there's a way it's going to write this copy for you. It's not going to write it like, it's not going to give you general way he writes it, right? So that Nigerians can understand. So let's enter and then good. Now see what it has given us. This is what it has given us. It says stop wasting data searching for movies. Tired of browsing YouTube or Telegram groups that promise movies but end up showing ads or broken links. Okay, so here's a shortcut, right? Get access to 10 secret Telegram channels. So this is the beautiful thing he gave us. Now the next thing you're going to do, because this is an ad, I told you this is how to create a video ads, right? I want you to write this next. Just write this. I want you to turn this to a script that I can paste on audio or on a text to audio platform, right? So just write exactly like this. I want you to turn this into a script that I can paste on a text to audio platform, right? Good. It was text to speech, howsoever. So now let's go. Now it gave us this, right? It gave us this, but one of the things I noticed that it didn't put the price. So what you're going to do is tell it you didn't include the price. So this time around it has included the price, right, and everything. So you can see that you have gotten an entire script that you don't need to like crack your brain too much. So what you're going to do is just copy all of this up one, right? Copy it. Now go to a platform called, this is a platform where I'm going to turn this into a script called Love voice, right? Lovevoice.com. Lovevoice.com. Now just register on the platform. Where is just register on the platform, and then it's going to bring you to this place, right? This text to speech. Now you're always going to get credits, a particular amount of credits every day, right? I guess 300. Okay, no, this is 300 words, particular amount of credit. I don't know why it's not showing. Yeah, so what you're going to do is when you come to this platform, let me reload the platform, lovevoice.com, right? When you come to this platform, all you're going to do is now, okay, you see, you're going to get 5, okay, I have 5,197 credits, right? So you're going to get more. So what you're going to do is paste that text here, paste the text what you've copied, paste it exactly here. So you're going to come here to choose the voice, United States voice. You can use, let's just use United States, and then if you're a female, you can use female voice, you can use male voice, whatsoever. So me, there's a particular voice I like to use. It's called I think Andrew or Christopher, whatsoever. So I think Andrew is what I prefer using. You can choose anyone, you can try them out, right? But be mindful of your credits. So what you're simply going to do is just to generate voice. So I'm generating the voice. Okay, so listen to what it has made so far.
Hey there. Are you tired of searching the whole internet just to find one good movie to watch? Or joining random Telegram groups that promise free movies, but end up giving you links that don't work? Let's change that. Introducing the Secret Channels Access. With just one click, you'll unlock 10 hidden Telegram channels, filled with the latest and hottest movies from Netflix, cinema releases, and your favorite series. All available for free. No stress. No annoying ads. No broken links. Just instant movie access whenever you want. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can grab this full access for only 1,000 Nigerian Nairas. Yes, 1,000 Naira gets you everything. But hurry. This price is for the first 20 buyers only. After that, it goes back to 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. Want it now? Click the link, pay 1,000 Nigerian Nairas, and start watching right away. Don't miss out. You'll thank yourself tonight.
Now what you're going to do is to come down here, you see this place, just download it. You can also just check it on your mobile phone. You can access this on your mobile phone, please. So don't be intimidated with the system. Now there are certain things that you might not like I didn't like the way it's saying it's calling this Nigerian Naira. So what you're going to do, what you can do is just, one thing you can do is to change this 100 Naira to 1,000 Naira. So you see this 1,000 Naira here, it pronounced it normal. So you copy it and then change this 100 Naira and then paste it. Just change all of the numbers to words, right? That is the best way it's going to, like, you're going to get the best result. But let's not waste so much time on this. Let's just go to the next aspect. Now you see, one thing is to create an audio, the other is create visuals, because we human beings, we imagine things and we accept things based on visuals more often, right? So now the next step is how to create visuals based on this script. So now you still go back to your ChatGPT or your Gemini. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Now this is what you do. This is what I did. Because of time, I just did everything and then I'm now showing you. So you're going to come back to ChatGPT. You know it has given you the script, right? And you use the script to create an audio. Now you now come back to ChatGPT and tell it, based on this script, I want you to provide visuals I can use in creating, right, a video to showcase this. Now generate 2 for each phase of the script, then pause till I say next. You understand? So now it's going to write all the faces, all the visual face. That is visual 1. You see a young man lying on his bed at night scrolling endlessly through his phone, frustrated, background glows and all of this thing. So that is 2 for phase 1. Then this for phase 2, this for phase 2. Then this is for phase 2 solution, introducing the secret channel access script. So this is a smooth transition for frustrated person. Fine. You now come down. Now when it gives you all of these things, what you're going to do is generate image. Just type generate image. You can see, look at the image that has been generated. Now you're going to do this continuously. So you now come and say generate the next one. Just put generate the next one. Good. Tap on generate the next one and it's going to generate the next one. Now this is you using AI, complete AI. Now after you've done generating all these images, right, after you're done generating all these images, download the whole images and then use them to edit video, right, edit your video. So you're going to use the audio and you're also going to use the visuals. Now what this does is that it gives people direct information about your product. Because of time I cannot do all of these things here. I would make the whole editing and show you. Now this is you using AI to create your content, right, strategically using AI, your partner with AI. Now you can also do this with recording the Telegram channel and on the product, recording what you do, and then the voiceover beneath that is in the background. You understand? If you're a movie person and you're looking for where to get movies daily and you're tired of paying Netflix subscription, get access to these premium channels that drops latest movies daily. That's not the only interesting part. Also get access to this WhatsApp premium group that drops job updates every single day. So this is how you can use AI to create content. Now be creative about this with whatsoever product you have.